Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Abaji TV. Our topic for this video is all about off-grid solar system with multiple solar charge controller or multiple MPPT. For the disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes, only for those who are solar beginners and DIYers. So for example, you have a 12 volt, 24 volt or 48 volts off-grid solar system, but you have reached the maximum wattage of your MPPT and you want to have additional solar panels for additional charging during cloudy days. So you must finish the video until the end. I will show you how to wiring the system. Just follow the diagram for your guide. In adding another solar charge controller, the wattage of the solar panels does not matter as long as the battery charging current will not over its charging current limit. The charging current limit for every battery will differ depending on the manufacturer. Much better if you must check first the manufacturer's datasheet for the battery safety before adding more solar panels and another extra solar charge controller or MPPT. So for example, you have an existing 6 pieces 450 watt solar panels for your 48 volt solar system and you wanted to add more solar panels with higher wattage like 550 watts or 650 watts. You will only need an extra solar charge controller or MPPT and make sure your additional solar panels don't exceed the maximum power limit of your extra additional MPPT. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.